Hey everybody, Tom Francione from EZ Street for another edition of Tom's Toolbox. It's been quite some time since I've done one of these, and since I've been grounded and keeping the momentum going and the gyms are all shut, I've decided to try a little something different.
Pump up some bass.
Stretch it out, shake it up, stretch it out, shake it up. Well, I think working out with a bag of EZ Street probably isn't the right thing to do. It's not, well, I guess you could, but I think a better thing would be to patch a pothole, because EZ Street is guaranteed permanent, works in water, always workable, always saves money. We're gonna show potholes who's boss. Let's go, come on.
Move back to the future.
First thing you wanna do is you wanna sweep.
Then you're gonna open your bag of EZ Street.
And if this was filled with water, it would still work.
You're going to fill the pothole, leaving about a ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch of a crown above the surface for the secondary road compaction. Even if you don't have a tamp, EZ Street can be wheel rolled and truck tire. It serves as a great method of compaction.
Well, there you have it. Now we have a permanent patch. It's guaranteed permanent. And also, as you see over here, I did not finish using all the EZ Street. So the good thing about EZ Street is it stores in the bag for up to 1 year, a bulk shelf pile for 6 months. And I can just put it right back together like this, pop it back in the box that it came in, and we are done. So stay tuned for some more Tom's Toolbox, and everybody, we appreciate everything you guys are doing and all the efforts you're having out there right now, trying different things. Let's keep showing potholes who's boss.